Are you tired of gym subscriptions that drain your wallet or workouts that just don't stick? In this video, we're breaking down the 10 best exercise bikes for weight loss at home 2025. From compact foldable options to pro-level stationary bikes, these picks are loved by thousands and rated high for real results. It's Tech Insight with Ike. Does this video resonate with your goal? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more goal-driven tech infos. Let's get spinning. Number 1. BARWING stationary exercise bike. First up, the BARWING 5-in-1 foldable exercise bike, built for comfort and versatility. This bike supports up to 350 pounds and offers 16 levels of magnetic resistance. It's perfect for seniors or anyone wanting a quiet, stable ride at home. With over 6,600 ratings and an impressive 4.4 stars, it's proving favorite. Currently priced at $159.99. Check the links in the description for deals on Amazon. At number 2 is the LINBOLUSA Foldable exercise bike. Need something compact for small space? The LINBOLUSA Foldable bike is designed for apartments with a sturdy 4.5 pounds flywheel, 16 resistance levels, and 260 pounds capacity. It folds neatly after use and costs $139.99, making it one of the most affordable high-rated options. Link in description for possible deals on Amazon. Number 3. ATIVAFIT 3-in-1 exercise bike. The ATIVAFIT 3-in-1 bike lets you switch between upright, recumbent, and semi-recumbent modes. It includes resistant bands for a full body workout and has 13,000 plus reviews with a 4.3 star rating. Currently, it's $159.99. The link is in the description for any possible deal on Amazon. At number 4 is the YYFITT 3-in-1 exercise bike. Comfort meets performance with the YYFITT 3-in-1 bike. It features luminous digital display, 16 magnetic resistance levels, and a fully supportive backrest. Perfect for seniors or anyone prioritizing posture. Rated 4.5 stars and priced at $199.99. The link is in the description for any possible deal on Amazon. At number 5 is the YOSUDA Pro magnetic exercise bike. For serious cyclists, the YOSUDA Pro brings a gym-level experience home. With 350 pounds capacity, silent belt drive, and an adjustable seat, it delivers smooth and quiet performance. Over 4,900 ratings back it up and is now at $399.99. The link is in the description for possible deal on Amazon. At number 6 is the SLUNSE adjustable magnetic bike. This SLUNSE indoor bike is both smart and comfortable, app compatible, digital monitor, and a 350 pounds capacity. It's one of the most discounted options right now. Currently, it's selling at $329.99. That's a steal for such a premium deal. Take the link in the description for any possible deal on Amazon. At number 7 is the GOFLYSHINE exercise bike. For a mix of cardio and entertainment, the GOFLYSHINE exercise bike comes with an iPad mount, LCD monitor, and silent belt drive for smooth workouts. Rated 4.2 stars and sitting at $219.99. A great mid-range option for home gyms. Link in the description. At number 8 is the CHAOKE Quiet magnetic bike. The CHAOKE stationary bike stands out for its near silent operation and app compatibility. With a 300 pounds capacity and 4.8 star rating, is one of the highest rated in its class, currently at $179.99. The link is in the description for any possible deal on Amazon. At number 9 is the MEREK exercise bike. If you love guided workouts, the MEREK exercise bike is a fantastic choice. It connects to an exclusive app for live fitness courses and tracks your stats in real time. With a 4.5 star rating and 1,400 plus reviews, it's a bestseller at $299.99. Link in the description for any possible deal on Amazon. At number 10 is the YOSUDA magnetic exercise bike. Finally, the YOSUDA magnetic bike, the fan favorite with over 24,000 reviews, is quiet, durable, supports up to 300 pounds, and includes a tablet holder for entertainment. Now it's at just $249.99. Check the link in the description for any possible deal on Amazon. And that's our list of the 10 best exercise bikes for weight loss at home 2025. Whether you are tight on space or looking for a pro-level challenge, there is a perfect fit for you. Don't wait, prices and deals change fast. All the product links are in the description below. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which bike you have picked for your home gym. And don't forget to share this video to help others kickstart their fitness journey. Stay fit, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.